Hey guys, well, it's time to do some airplane repair. This thing, it's an old E-Flite electric T-34 Mentor, whatever you want to say, and it used to belong to a guy in our club, and then I bought his stuff out, and this was one of the planes, and years ago, and I flew it one time, and the canopy blew off it, so made an emergency landing, and when the canopy blew off, it also took a part of the elevator with it, so I just repaired that, put in some new wood, got the old towel bond out, got that out, and let that dry up overnight, and then I will get some more, I got some white monocoat, and I'll finish that off. But when I made the emergency landing, it came in and it landed decent, but it bounced, and when it bounced, it ripped up the underside of the landing gear box, the motor box. So with that is now repaired. Got to put the rod in it yet for the steering, and then I want to reinforce the nose a little bit, but for the most part it's fairly well ready to go back in the air. Got to get another gyro receiver because I stole the one out of this. The canopy blew off, so what I did was thought I had a little bit, and I don't think I'll have that problem now. I put Velcro, 3 little Velcro strips, or little circles, and plus one in the front, so that shouldn't happen again, but we'll see. The joys of flying with wooden airplanes, I tell you. I don't really miss it. I like the foamies a lot better. But anyway, so yeah, just doing a little elevator repair, and like I said, it's had a few rough missions back when Bill had it. It's been repaired a few times, but like I said, I've only flown it one time, so this will kind of be like a remaiden of the maiden. Oh yeah, also he did not have the flaps. They had them locked up together, and I'm putting a flap servo in it so I can have the flaps functioning, just because flaps are cool. So well, anyway guys, yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick update on my T-34, and hopefully by the end of the week I'll have it done, and the runway will be dried out enough that it can get in the air again. So anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome, glad you found it, and you guys all stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, bye.